Namaste. How are you all today? You must be thinking why I am carrying paper with me while teaching a matra. But today's matra is Ank Bindu or Anuswar. I feel as a teacher it is a most complicated matra once it's come to the word vivhched when we separate the letter. My students most of the time they are very confused that how to separate this letter and why every time it gets changed. Okay, all the matra whenever you will separate only that vowels will come. Okay, any vowels we can take. For example, if you are here taking a, you know it is a. Okay, but if you are taking Ank Bindu, why sometime it is Nga, sometime it is Na, sometime it is Ma. So these are some common confusion. So that's why I thought I'm going to take all the minor detail related to this matra and I will try to tell you so you will not get any confusion. Okay, let's begin. Now you will see when I have written word Chanda. Okay, but while separating, instead of using this Chand Bindu, I'm sorry, Ank Bindu, I have used later Na. I have used later Na. Okay, because when you will hear the sound, it is Chanda. Okay, Chanda. Now listen all the sound. Ang, Sundar, Angur, Hans. Just listen my pronunciation. Jungle, संबंध, संबंध, रंग, गंगा, kambal, and mantra. So just quickly let me read this meaning also. Ang means body, Sundar means beautiful, Angur means grapes, Hans means swan, and jungle means forest, Sambandh means relation, Rang means color, Ganga means river, it's a name of the river, Kambal means blanket, and Mantra means chanting. We say the chant, na? Chanting. Now you will see while reading these words every time my pronunciation was different, but dot I'm using same, only this Ank Bindu. Okay, you know this Ank Bindu is not very flexible, it can change as per the Pancham word, means fifth letter. Now how you will know where it is coming? So this only can come while listening the sound properly. When you are saying Ganga, okay, Nga, now you say Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nga. So here this Ank Bindu converted into the dot. Okay, this Anga converted into the Ank Bindu. Here Kampan. So this Ma converted into the Ank Bindu. When we have to make them separate, how we will do? Every time you cannot do the word vivhched where we make the later word separate in the same way. For example, if it is a Ganga, so you will write like this: Ga plus Ung, okay, plus Ga. Ganga means here also it will go. I don't have a space, that's why I'm not writing. Okay, let's write Ganga. Okay, now it is a Chanchal. Okay, so here instead of using Ank Bindu, we have used Nya later. So this Ank Bindu or Anuswar can be all these five letter, fifth letter, okay, of Hindi consonants, they can convert into the Ank Bindu. So whenever you do any separation, जब भी आप इसको अलग करें, please listen the sound. अब now always before the ga this unga letter comes most of the time. Okay, what most, almost every time this unga letter will come. Okay, now Sundar, which sound you can hear? You can hear the Sundar, means na sound. So how will you separate it? If you have to, because there are two matra, then how will you do it? You separation of the Sundar. So u, you are listening Sundar, u ki matra first, right? So you will do sa plus u plus half na plus the plus a plus ra plus a. Sundar. So this is the way you are going to separate it. Now let's take a word ang. How will you separate it? You will do a plus ung plus ga plus a. Ang. Okay, so here this anga become as a Ank Bindu. Now if we'll take a word like kambal, how will you separate this? Kambal. So you can hear that I'm saying word ma. Kambal. So you will say here ka plus half ma plus b plus a plus la plus a. So please remember, whenever you are writing Ank Bindu Shabd, you have always think that it is changed always with a Pancham word. Okay, Nga, Iya, Ra, Na and Ma. Okay, अब एक शब्द और ले लेते हैं. Let's take one more word. If you are taking danda or danda, okay, how you will separate it? You will do it da plus ra plus da plus a, danda. Okay, so don't think everywhere you are using only Ank Bindu as a na or ma. Okay, it's get changed with the Pancham words. So today I'm not feeling much well. However, I try to teach you. I'm doing. Thank you so much.